Janvi, naughty girl.
Varun's very sad right now.
Female dostana.
But he's not Virat Kohli. I'm just reiterating that at all.
It's just that the script was conceived how much time back?
It's a completely fictional script.
Because it was written long back, no?
Yeah, written years ago. So he's a top cricketer in your country right now. So you can let your imagination fly and think whoever you want him to be.
Okay, रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है. रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है,
आप होगा? हाँ.
It's okay, आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है. Hi रोहित, hi विनोद. रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे, देसी बॉयज में आप जॉन क्वालिटी डायरेक्ट कर चुके और यहाँ पे अक्षय सर जैसे दिग्गज, वरुण धवन जैसे दिग्गज, जैकलीन, पहला दिन शूट का जब आप उनके साथ आपने काम किया, चाहे मैं अक्षय सर की बात करूं या मैं वरुण की बात करूं, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या जब आप कोई सीन एक्सप्लेन करते थे, कई बार होता है कि एक्टर आपकी बात से इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता है, कुछ चेंजेस चाहता है कि ये इंप्रूवमेंट हो सकते हैं, तो कैसा दिन रहा स्पेशली अक्षय जी के साथ एंड वरुण के साथ? डू यू गॉट इमोशनल व्हाइल सेइंग एक्शन टू वरुण धवन?
नहीं, इमोशन सब घर पे ही होता है. नॉट वाइल शूटिंग. वी वर एक्सट्रीमली प्रोफेशनल विद ईच अदर इन द कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एक्टर एंड डायरेक्टर. और कुछ कभी सेट पे कभी इश्यूज नहीं हुई थी बिकॉज वी हैड स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम स्क्रिप्ट के साथ. हमने रीडिंग्स की थी तो सबको अपना किरदार बहुत क्लियरली पता था. सो ऑल दैट वाज जस्ट बिहाइंड क्लोज डोर्स. सो उसकी कुछ रीजनिंग भी नहीं होती थी सेट पे. इट वाज वी टू जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन गेटिंग द डेज वर्क, क्योंकि एज यू कैन सी इट वाज़न्ट एन ईजी फिल्म टू मेक फॉर मी एंड माई टीम. तो स्क्रिप्ट की बातें, परफॉर्मेंस की बातें सब हो गई थी पहले. And they both, as you asked me, they both have been extremely fantastic to work with. Varun is an extremely hard-working, hungry actor, who wants to give his best to every single shot. And in my limited experience of just 2 films, I feel it's been an absolute pleasure and joy to direct an actor like Akshay Khanna. And I don't think there's anyone else who has such great understanding of material,
Honestly, I think मेरे साथ कुछ ज़्यादा ही professional थे, and I can vouch for this. You can ask the other actors. You can ask John for sure. Wouldn't he shout at me the most on set? And John would take up for me always.
I would always hear Varun go, Bhaiya, one more shot, na Bhaiya, please, one more shot. I would always, and Rohit's like, no, and then he'll be like, okay, fine, come,
John.
one more. She'll answer. Right, Bhaiya, one more shot.
Jacqueline, you're a phenomenal dancer, and we see some glimpses of your dancing as well in the promo. So could you tell us something about the music and your dance sequences? And
we have a really, really special track coming up in the next year, very soon, which we're all very excited about, and we worked extremely hard on this. We took a lot of time to actually shoot it as well, and it's a situational song, but you guys heard glimpses of it throughout the trailer, and we're really, really excited to release it very soon.
And what's really cool, I think, for Preetham fans or for like fans of music, if you loved Subha Hone Na De, I think Rohit and Preetham are teaming up after that. So
yes,
expect
it's a
something
special
big.
one. It's a special one.
साजिद,
Varun,
हेलो, हाय हाय. हाँ, साजिद, डीएन नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में एक
रुक जा. पहले तू अपना नाम बोल. उड़ जा.
संजय मिश्रा.
Where
are you?
मिश्रा जी, क्या कर रहे हो आप?
संजय मिश्रा बीबीसी से हाँ जी. डीएन नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में एक अभी मामला दर्ज हुआ है. फारूक ने करवाया है वो स्क्रिप्ट.
फारूक तो मेरा ड्राइवर है.
अब पता नहीं ये
अच्छा, क्या
आपके और अक्षय के खिलाफ स्क्रिप्ट का कुछ मामला है.
डिशुम की
नहीं, कॉपीराइट इशू.
अच्छा, नहीं, अभी तक आया नहीं कुछ.
Varun and John, here,
straight.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
After
So,
you,
right.
I'll then.
So my question is, the trailer reminds us of Dhoom in a way. Dhoom has matured a lot. So is there a plan to make Drishyam into a franchise? Both of you.
It's nothing like Dhoom, but because John was in the first Dhoom, the original Dhoom, I think he should answer why it's different.
Yeah, I think when I heard the script of Drishyam, this is the first thing I told Sajid and I told Rohit was that Drishyam will go up to Drishyam 8. You'll have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because this is a very young action adventure franchise and Kabir and Junaid will find new problems, new issues and move to different places and it's going to be fun. It's a great franchise. It's a great franchisable film.
Nandu from Eros, my question to you.
She wants her number, Nandu.
No, I don't want his number.
Oh, she's back.
Nandu, it's a...
This
is your second film with Sajid. How is the
It's not the second.
Yeah.
We've released a lot of films with Mr. Sajid Nadiadwala.
How has the association been with Sajid?
Excellent.
Just
It's a pleasure.
one word.
It's a pleasure.
Would you like to elaborate?
It's a pleasure. Wait.
That's
all I can say.
elaborating.
Yeah, say,
John,
please.
John,
One second, ma'am. Let him
John-
please ask his question. Then you go on, promise. Preparation. I've never held a gun actually in any film. So first I had to learn that. So there was some kind of training for that. Secondly, he's very earnest, very honest. He really, really wants to be a good police officer. I think the more important preparation was that I'm playing a Emirati cop, a cop based in UAE, in Abu Dhabi. So I had to kind of learn a little Arabic. And it's there. There's a portion in the film, perfect the language, perfect the way how cops speak over there. It's quite different from the cops in Mumbai. So to go and observe, luckily we did have, the police did help us a lot over there. So I got to spend some time with them as well of how they go about their day to day, how they keep people in check. So that, and where the comedy is concerned, I think that's in the lines, the way Hussain has written it, how the screenplay, how Tushar has written it. And I think Rohit's really good with comedy. So those things came about. I mean, it's in the line ki tu munna bhai hoga lekin main circuit nahi hu. All that is all there.
Okay, मेरा सवाल जैकलिन से, जैकलिन,
John.
जैकलिन मेरा सवाल आपसे है, if you can hear me,
Where are you?
जैकलिन, yeah.
हाँ जी.
हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन हमारी मुलाकात आपसे हो रही है, हाउसफुल के प्रमोशन में हैं, आप डिशुम का हिस्सा हैं, आप यहाँ मौजूद हैं, आप शूट कब करते हो? We have seen you, we have been, we have every second day, we are here for some promotion, for some time for Houseful 3, now you're here for Dishum, after 2.
देखो मैं कितना मेहनत करती हूँ कि प्रमोशंस कर सकती हूँ, शूटिंग कर सकती हूँ. हाँ आप लिखते कभी?
और अपने लिए
आप
काम
हमेशा हाँ
अपने लिए काम करती हूँ.
हाँ वो नहीं है.
Ma'am, you please.
John,
रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है, we have also seen Nargis in the promo.
One sec.
Sir, इनको एक मिनट.
Hello.
इनको पूछना है फिर आप पूछ लो, promise.
John,
No, she wants to ask.
John, for a change आप shoes में नजर आ रहे हैं. तो ये change कैसे आ गया?
क्योंकि I borrowed these shoes. I only have chappals. And
After marriage change आ गया?
नहीं मेरे पास चप्पल्स ही है और मेरे पास I just got enough clothes to fit into one suitcase. उससे ज्यादा मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं. बस काफी है यार.
Okay, रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है, promo में you also seen Nargis in the promo. तो नरगिस का कितना बड़ा किरदार होगा फिल्म के अंदर, उनकी मौजूदगी भी नहीं है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
It's a special cameo in the film. It's a special cameo, and she actually plays a very interesting and fun character who both the cops interrogate regarding the case, Kabir or Junaid.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
No, he isn't. And that's also, just leave that for July 29th. Some things hidden are the best.
Okay guys.
Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you so
Who's
much.
hijack?
Thank you.
Say. एक मिनट, एक बेचारी को बोलना है, कुछ बोलो.
That's.
हाय जानकी, कैसी हो तुम? What's up? हाँ? अच्छा इतना
okay,
मैंने ये किया, सीधा जैकलीन से question.
I like
Janki's
you.
preferences are very different.
Janvi, naughty girl.
Varun's very sad
Janki
right
is
now.
female dostana.
You know that will be headlines. हाँ, please talk. करती हूँ.
What do you want to do more? That you love money. Say that.
Shut up. No, actually, I've done both, and I started my career also doing a lot of multi-star films, and they are a lot of fun to do. I have to say, now I'm promoting also Houseful 3 and Dishum together. I've worked on both these films last year. There's so much you learn from multi-stars, and they're great fun. And even when you're doing a solo, heroine film as well, sometimes you miss like female co-stars and female energies on set. But then, of course, you become one of the guys and you learn a lot from them. And it's you don't get any more attention because guys tend to bond a lot more on set. But I think to answer your question, because I just went on speaking.
Just say I love money.
Shut up. Yes.
लड़कों के लिए older, लड़कियों के लिए younger. हाँ.
Fortunately, I won't be here. I'm going to be shooting abroad, by the way. I'm going to be shooting. I'm leaving on Friday. But yeah, I'm sure she's going to have a nice big party.
That's the last question, guys.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
We don't fool around.
We don't fool around during work.
Not.
We
Rohit, you
mean
can't fool
business.
around.
We mean business. We are
Yeah.
some hardcore cops, and we mean business, and we interrogate people really, really.
But
properly.
Coco was really fun, the monkey. We made good friends with Coco.
That's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.